Welcome to this English comprehension practice session. To get the most of this session, remember to take notes on the passage as you watch it. You can then use the notes to find answers to the questions quickly. Okay, let us get started. The shift towards renewable energy sources is pivotal as the world seeks sustainable solutions to reduce environmental impact and combat climate change. Renewable energy encompasses a variety of sources, including solar, wind, hydroelectric, biomass, and geothermal power. These sources are not only sustainable but also serve to reduce dependency on fossil fuels, which are major contributors to global warming. Solar energy, due to its vast potential and declining cost of technology, is becoming increasingly popular. In countries like India, where sunshine is abundant, solar panels are seen as a viable option for mass energy production. The government has launched several initiatives to promote solar energy, aiming to increase the capacity and reduce the carbon footprint significantly. Wind energy is another important renewable resource. With its extensive coastline, India has a favorable geography for wind farms and has been harnessing wind energy for decades. The southern state of Tamil Nadu, in particular, is one of the largest producers of wind energy in India. Hydropower is considered one of the oldest sources of energy and remains a significant part of the energy mix, especially in regions with abundant water resources. It is valued for its ability to provide stable electricity and help balance the grid during variations in demand. Biomass energy, derived from organic materials such as plant and animal waste, is utilized in rural areas for cooking and heating purposes and is also being developed for electricity generation. Geothermal energy, although less common, provides a reliable source of energy in areas with geothermal activity. As the world progresses, the importance of transitioning to renewable energy sources cannot be overstated. It not only helps in preserving environmental health but also enhances energy security and creates job opportunities in new industries. Now answer the questions based on the passage. Which renewable energy source is noted for its declining technology costs? What geographical advantage does India have for wind energy? Find the synonym of pivotal as used in the passage. What is an antonym for stable in the context of hydropower benefits mentioned in the passage? Based on the passage, which energy source is particularly used in rural areas for cooking and heating? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.